Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a recovery environment, make the Windows USB now, and boot to Advanced Startup so you can use command tools. Once in command prompt, run chkdsk/f/r to find and repair corrupt sectors that commonly break NTFS.SYS. Make sure to note any reported bad clusters, because disk physical failure changes the path. If chkdsk finds errors, repeat until it reports clean. Otherwise, the next steps will address drivers and system files. Once disk errors are handled, repair system files to replace a damaged NTFS.SYS or dependent drivers. You run sfc offline and then dism against the mounted image. dism/image, c//cleanup image/restore health, which fetches replacements. Next, backup and rename suspect drivers in C/Windows/system32/drivers. This forces Windows to load defaults. Then reboot into safe mode to confirm stability. Safe mode loads minimal drivers, so if the crash stops, you've narrowed the cost. To finish, update or reinstall your storage controller and chipset drivers from the PC or motherboard vendor. This often solves NTFS.SYS blue screens. If crashes continue, perform a system restore to a point before the problem, or run an in-place repair install to refresh Windows without losing files. If that still fails, run memtest86 and a smart drive test. Failing RAM or drive necessitates replacement. If you get stuck, examine boot logs for NTFS.SYS errors. They point to whether it's hardware, driver, or file corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.